Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sea moss face mask. First, let's quickly discuss why sea moss is so beneficial for your skin. It's packed with minerals and vitamins that can deeply hydrate and nourish, leaving your complexion feeling soft and looking radiant. This natural ingredient helps soothe irritation and can improve overall skin texture. Making your own mask at home is simple and allows you to control the ingredients for a truly personalized skincare experience. To begin, you'll need 1/4 cup of prepared sea moss gel. You can make this by soaking and blending raw sea moss with water until smooth. Next, gather 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel, known for its soothing properties. For an extra boost, you might also want to include a few drops of a skin-safe essential oil, like lavender or tea tree, depending on your skin's needs. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh and ready for mixing. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. In a small, clean bowl, gently mix the sea moss gel, aloe vera gel, and any essential oils you've chosen. Stir until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste, free of lumps. Once mixed, apply an even layer of the mask to your freshly cleansed face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Ensure full coverage for the best results, allowing your skin to absorb the nutrients. After applying, relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows your skin to fully absorb all the wonderful nutrients. When your time is up, gently rinse your face thoroughly with warm water, patting dry with a soft towel. You'll notice a refreshed, glowing complexion that feels incredibly smooth and hydrated. For more great deals and to find the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.